The exam fever is on. If you're planning to give your CA Foundation exam in the December 21 attempt, then the window to fill the online exam form is now open by ICAI. But before that, you need to fill and keep your declaration form ready. Now, what is a declaration form? It is a form to be filled by every student who wishes to appear for the CA Foundation exam in the December 21 attempt. This may be your first attempt or you may be a repeater. You will still have to fill and attach the declaration form while filling the exam form. So in this video, we are going to discuss from where to download the declaration form and how to fill it correctly. Now, what is a declaration form? It is a form which you will fill to declare to the CA Institute that I have registered myself for the CA Foundation course on or before 16th of August 2021. So, if you have registered for the course either on 16th August or any time before that, then you will have to fill the declaration form. It is also a declaration that I have appeared for my 12th examination. The declaration form is to be filled, attested and kept ready before you fill the exam form. I repeat myself, students, before you fill the exam form. So before you fill the exam form, please ensure that a declaration form is properly filled, attested and kept ready for uploading while you fill the exam form. From where to download the declaration form? Students, you can visit the website icaiexam.icai.org to download the declaration form. But this website can be accessed only from either a desktop or a laptop. If you want to access the form, the declaration form from your mobile device, you will not be able to do so. So for the convenience of students who currently don't have access to either laptop or desktop, I am leaving a link from where you can download the declaration form. So go to the description box and you can download the declaration form from that link. To download the declaration form, visit www.icaiexam.icai.org. On the home page, you will see the December 21 exam details tab. Just click on that. On the right hand side, Foundation, declaration form for Foundation December 21 applicants. Click on the same and you will be able to download the declaration form. The declaration form is also available on the link given in the description box. Let's see how the declaration is to be filled for CA Foundation exam December 21 attempt. In the first blank, you will write your full name, son or daughter of. In the second blank, you will write the name of your father, and in case you don't have a father, you can write your mother's name. Hereby declare that I am registered in the foundation course on or before 16th August or have converted to the foundation from CPD course on or before 30th September. So if you have registered for the course on or before 16th August, or you have converted from CPD to foundation or on or before 30th September, then you are eligible to appear for the December 21 exam. Students, even if you have registered on the last day, that is 16th August, you are still eligible to appear for the December 21 exam. So this declaration is actually to declare, to confirm that you have registered before 16th August and you have also appeared for your 12th exam. After that, you will sign your full signature, then signature of your parent or guardian. Suppose you are not living at home currently, you are placed elsewhere, maybe you're in a hostel or you are at some other place for studies. Your parent is not able to sign this form, then your local guardian can sign. The next part of the form is to be filled by the attesting officer. This is not to be filled by you. Sometimes the attesting officer asks the students to fill this. So let's see what is expected to be written in this part of the form. I, name of the attesting officer, do hereby certify that I have verified and satisfied that the candidate is registered with ICAI on or before 16th August or has converted from CPD to foundation on or before 30th September and has appeared in the 12th exam. So this will be filled by the attesting officer. He will write his name, date, place, Membership number if it is attested by a member of ICAI. If the member is not attesting, you go to any head of educational institute like the principal of any public school or government school or college. You can also get it attested by gazetted officer. So in that case, if they are attesting, they will not write the membership number of ICAI. That is why in the bracket they have written if applicable, because the membership number will be filled only if you are getting the form attested by a chartered accountant. If the form is attested by the head of educational institution or gazetted officer, then that field is not required. So after the membership number, the attesting officer will sign. Now, who is a gazetted officer? I have written the description in the description box. So please go and read who can sign as a gazetted officer. So you can get the form attested either by a member of ICAI or any head of educational institute like the principal of either government college, school, or a private school, or you can also get it attested by a gazetted officer. They will write the telephone number and office seal. I have highlighted this because it is compulsory for the form to contain seal of the attesting officer. So students, I hope after watching this video you will be able to fill the declaration form confidently. Subscribe to your channel Theory Masters Learning and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification on step-by-step guide to fill the exam form for December 21 attempt. Also visit my website theorymasterslearning.com for exciting lectures, books and test series.